Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 2 of CMA final SFM capital budgeting. This is a good question. This question has been asked in each and every professional exams. CA, CMA and CS as well. Okay, please read the question here. Illustration number 2. Following are the data on the capital project being evaluated by the management of X Limited. Annual cost saving. Here this is a 4 lakh, but I am solving the same question by using 40,000. Okay, annual cost saving. Okay, annual cost saving 40,000. Useful life is 4 years. IRR 15%. Profitability index 1.064. Net present value you have to calculate. Capital cost of project you have the cost of capital you have to calculate, cost of project you have to calculate, payback period, salvage. This is a present value factors are given. In this case, cash inflow are not given. Here it is assumed that annual cash inflow, cash cost saving, cost saving means here, look at here, cost saving means earning before depreciation and tax. Cost saving means earning before depreciation and tax. Suppose this is the 40,000 here. Less depreciation. Information of depreciation is suppose it is given A. Suppose. Now earning before tax. What is the 40,000 minus A? Less tax. Tax is 0. Earning after tax 40,000 minus A. Add depreciation. This is the plus A. Operating cash inflow. Operating cash inflow. This is the 40,000. Operating cash inflow is assumed to be annual cost saving. It means what? Whenever in questions, tax rate is not given. Tax rate is not given. We need not require to calculate depreciation, because once you will depreciation subtract and once you will add depreciation, it affect 0. Okay, note I am going to write here. Note, whenever information of depreciation is not given, information of tax is not given, in this case, annual cost saving is a operating cash inflow, and no need to calculate depreciation, no need to calculate depreciation whenever there is a there is a no tax in that case. Okay, so we have from these questions operating cash inflow is of 40,000. In the given question, IRR is given, that equal to 15%. Okay, at the rate of 15%, present value of cash inflow and present value of cash outflow is equal, and profitability index in the given question is given 1.064. Whenever profitability index higher than 1, it means what? PI greater than 1. This implies that present value of cash inflow greater than present value of cash outflow. This implies that cost IRR greater than cost of capital. This implies that net present value greater than 0. We must have to know this. Okay, in this case, profitability index greater than 0, it means what can we understand? Present value of cash inflow must be higher than present value of cash outflow at cost of capital. At cost of capital, IRR is higher than cost of capital. Net present value higher than 0. Okay, in this case, if discount rate is taken at IRR 15%, if discount rate is taken IRR 15%, in this case present value of cash inflow and present value of cash outflow will be equal. Cash outflow is a cost of project. Now present value of cash outflow, this is the equal to present value of cash inflow at IRR. Working note first, calculation of present value of cash outflow. By this relation we have present value of cash outflow equal to present value of cash inflow, present value annuity factor 15%, 4 years. This is this 2.855 and this is 1 lakh 14,200, 1,14,200. This is the present value of cash outflow. Now what this was actually present value of cash inflow. Why this is present value of cash outflow? Present value of cash outflow is calculated, always calculated using discount rate cost of capital. Okay, in only one case, present value of cash inflow is calculated using discount rate IRR. In only one case, that is the IRR, in the case of IRR. Okay, here present value of cash in outflow is equal to present value of cash inflow at IRR only. Okay, in this case cash inflow is discounted at the rate of IRR. Okay, so here present value of cash outflow is 1,14,200. This is the cost of project. Working note first. This is present value of cash outflow rupees 1,14,200. This we have already calculated. Now we can calculate present value of cash inflow by using profitability index. Working note second, calculation of present value of cash inflow using profitability index. Profitability index equal to present value of cash inflow equal to present value of cash outflow. Look at here. This is 1.064 or present value of cash inflow whole divided by 1,14,200. This is 1.064 or present value of cash inflow 1,14,200 into 1.064 rupees. After multiplying this, 1,21,507. This is the present value of cash inflow. Now the question is, this is the present value of cash inflow 1,21,507, and in this case present value of cash inflow is 1,14,200. Why both are different? Because of here discount rate we have used IRR 15%, that is the maximum discount rate IRR. Here discount rate present value of cash inflow is calculated here using to calculate PI, cost of capital. Cost of capital you must have to keep in your mind. Here discount rate is used, cost of capital which is lower than IRR. You must have to keep in your mind, which is lower than IRR. Which is lower than IRR. You have to keep in your mind this. That's why this present value of cash inflow is higher. Okay. Now, in working note, we can calculate cost of capital. Working note 3. Calculation of present value of cash. Calculation of cost of capital. Here, cost of capital. Present value of cash inflow at cost of capital. At cost of capital we have already calculated rupees 1,21,507, 1,21,507, and this is present value of cash inflow, and this is 40,000 into present value annuity factor R is the cost of capital. Here 4 year. Now present value annuity factor R4. This is 1,21,507 divided by 40,000. This is 3.038. And now we can write, you can see here, this is the your 2.885 and this is your 3.038. This is a 12%. Present value annuity factor, this is a 12%. This is a 2.885. This is a 15%. The here we can write, we can say that present value annuity factor, this R is the cost of capital. We can write this is the present value annuity factor for 12% cost of capital 4 years. Hence R equal to cost of capital that is 12%. R is the cost of capital 12%. Okay. Now we had to calculate cost of capital also. This is the working note 4. Sorry, working note 3. This is 12%. This is 12%. Now we can calculate net present value. Working note 4. Calculation of net present value. Net present value equal to present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. 1,21,507, 1,14,200, this, and the net present value will be here 121,507 minus 114,200, that is 7,307. Now working note 5. Calculation of payback period. Payback period. Present value of cash outflow divided by operating cash inflow. Operating cash inflow, this formula is applied only if when there is a same cash inflow in each year. When there is a same cash inflow in each year, this is your 1,14,200 and the 40,000 is the cash inflow in each year. 14,000, the 2.855 year. Okay, so now we can write here payback period working note 5, 2.855 year. Net present value working note 4, 76 7307, 7307. Look at it. Whenever you have to find fill in the blanks, in that case in first page you have to write the fill in the blanks, and the second page you have to start working note. According to working note you have to calculate each and every requirements, and as per working note you write the answers. Okay, this question is completed. Okay, thank you class, this is also good questions.